Makita is a pioneer in brushless motor engineering, battery technology, and mitre saw innovation. This combined expertise resulted in the 18-volt X2 LXT Lithium-Ion Brushless 12 inches dual bevel sliding compound mitre saw kit. Oz and laser. It's powered by two 18 volts lithium-ion batteries for 36 volts power and performance. But without leaving the 18 volts LXT platform, X2 LXT technology delivers increased power, speed, and run time without the hassles of a cord. Get up to 175 cuts per charge in 2x12 SPF lumber with two 5.0 Ah batteries. The efficient BL brushless motor runs cooler and more efficiently for longer tool life and delivers up to 4,400 RPM for fast and smoother cutting. This also features automatic speed change technology to adjust cutting speed and torque under load for optimum performance. For improved efficiency, it's equipped with auto-start wireless system technology. Oz utilizes Bluetooth technology for wireless communication between the tool and dust extractor. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. When the trigger of the Oz-equipped is engaged, the Oz-equipped dust extractor powers up. When the trigger is released, the dust extractor powers down. Oz is intelligent communication that eliminates cords and excessive noise since the dust extractor runs only when the tool is running. This has a unique two-steel rail sliding system design that offers single slide glide operation for smooth and dead-on accurate cutting right out of the box, as well as a reduced overall footprint that allows the saw to be positioned flush against a wall. The innovative direct drive gearbox and guard system are engineered for increased vertical cutting capacity 6¾ inches, crown molding cutting capacity, and 15 inches crosscuts at 90 degrees. The saw miters 0 degrees to 60 degrees left and right, with positive stops at 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 22.5 degrees, 31.6 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees. The bevel lock is located in the front of the saw for easy access and quick adjustments from 0 degrees to 48 degrees. The direct drive gearbox with soft start is a key point of difference. Direct drive enables smoother startups and constant power with no belts to slip or replace. Additional features include a built-in laser that indicates the line of cut, dual dust collection ports for excellent dust extraction performance, and an electric brake that provides added convenience. It also has a large-sized aluminum base that improves the stability of cutting stock for more efficient cutting. This includes a 12 inches 60T carbide-tipped max efficiency miter saw blade. The thin kerf design provides smoother cuts with less drag on the motor and minimal material loss. Compared to standard blades, the max efficiency miter saw blade delivers up to 100% faster cutting. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powered by two LXT batteries. X2 LXT technology delivers more power, speed, and run time without the hassles of a cord. Number 2. Makita built electronically controlled BL brushless motor delivers 4,400 RPM for faster and smoother cutting. Number 3. Auto start wireless system utilizes Bluetooth technology for wireless power on-off communication between tool and optional dust extractor. Number 4. Oz capable with auto start wireless transmitter part no. 198,901-5 sold separately. Number 5. The BL brushless motor eliminates carbon brushes, enabling the BL motor to run cooler and more efficiently for longer life. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.